In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel my Hinge subscription with this step-by-step tutorial. If you want to stop future charges on your Hinge plan, the process is fairly simple when you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to do it directly from your web browser so you can manage your subscription settings with confidence and make sure the cancellation goes through properly. To begin, go to the Hinge website and sign in to your account in your web browser. Make sure you're using the correct account, especially if you've ever created more than one profile or logged in with different methods in the past. This matters because your subscription settings will only appear under the account that actually has the active plan. Once you're signed in, look for your account settings. This is where Hinge keeps the main controls for your profile, account preferences, and payment-related options. If you don't immediately see it, take a moment to check the menu or profile area until you find the settings section. After that, go to the subscription or billing area. The wording may vary slightly depending on the version of the site you're seeing, but you're looking for the section that manages your paid plan. This is where you'll be able to review whether your subscription is active and what renewal options are currently turned on. Next, select cancel subscription, or if that option isn't shown exactly that way, turn off auto-renew. Both options are intended to stop future billing. Be sure to read each screen carefully as you move through the cancellation prompts, since some platforms may show a final review or ask you to confirm your choice before the change is applied. Finally, confirm the cancellation and keep the confirmation email for your records. This step is important because it gives you proof that the subscription was canceled successfully. If you don't see the email right away, it's a good idea to check your spam or promotions folder as well. One helpful tip is to review your account after canceling to make sure the status reflects the change. In many cases, you may still keep access to premium features until the end of your current billing period, even after cancellation. That means canceling usually stops the next renewal rather than ending access immediately. And that's it. That's how to cancel your Hinge subscription quickly and securely through the Hinge website.